friends, running kimono here. So if I can tell you one thing to start the car, the deals are so hot over at Walgreens. I think there's smoke coming out of my computer because, oh my gosh, what an adrenaline rush this morning. And everything worked out perfectly. So we're going to touch on the clearance paper at 75% off right off the cuff. And then I got a $6 moneymaker for my basket this week. If you could take a quick second and like this video, you'd be really helping me out. Just to like this video, I would be so grateful. Hopping right into this paper towel for whatever reason on clearance, and it is called the Ultra Quilted, and it is a 4-pack. Look for them displayed at the front of the store in the regular paper aisle or on a side cap like this one. See where that arrow is at the very top? That's the baby that you're looking for. Some stores they're tagged, some stores they're not. What you're going to do is ask the cashier to price check one of them for you, and if it's ringing up for $1.59, which is 75% off. It's rock and roll time. And just to give you guys a better visual, here it is. I know that in New England, it was happening yesterday. Texas, it was happening. And I guess here in Michigan, it's also happening. It's just an opportunity to get this stuff on the cheap. Use your Walgreens cash by all means, guys, and make it happen. And this is going to go very quickly because it is paper products, and it's the 4=9 roll, this one only. And I'm also going to show you the barcode. You have to do this in store. So if you have this wide idea that you're just going to do it as a curbside order, you're going to pay full price if anything's left at your store. But I think you can see if there's anything left in stock if you look through the app. But definitely go to the store and walk down that paper aisle because a lot of stuff is 75, and that is like any old school couponer is just going to go and load 3 carts and call it a day. So I would get out right away and do it. Can't stress it enough because like paper towel for this price, guys, that's crazy. So other items that I saw tagged, but I didn't see them in the store, I'm suspecting that somebody else must have grabbed them, is this 4-pack of the Quilted Northern. That's been on clearance for a very long time, and it's the same price at $1.59, and it's that little purple 4-pack. So if you can find it, ask for a price check, and if it's ringing up for that price, and if you think that's a stock-up price, rock and roll time, guys. We have a box of Kleenex, so it's a 200 count, so it's a larger box for 70 cents. Seems kind of rich for me. You know, from $2.79 to $70. I would pass on this one personally, but that paper towel, yeah, that's go time. Okay, now let's just say you still want to get in on some paper products. These little 4-packs of the Walgreens toilet paper, very similar to Charmin. They're $1.99 this week. They haven't had that promotion in a good long time. So it's either for the toilet paper or these bags. So you pick, you know, if you want to stock up on one or the other. I mean, they're both just solid deals. And I'm going to show you a quick little breakdown here. Grabbing 3 if you want to get some trash bags and a couple toilet papers, or if you want to get all toilet paper, $5.97. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash or a $5 register reward if you might have it, and pay 97 cents. And I think this is smart, just a smart deal to have this stuff for your stockpile. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use the Walgreens cash. It's not going to hurt anything, but it's just a good stock up price, and we haven't seen this $1.99 price point in months, so I would get some. Also, a little freebie this week is with the Oral-B Vivid toothbrushes. These guys are $3 a pop, so you're going to look for 2 of them in the dental care aisle. Nothing was tagged at my store this morning, so I had to really be on my A game for that. Load this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2 to get the maximum savings. So grabbing 2 of those brushes, guys, that's $6 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $3, getting back a $3 register reward, making this free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not using one of those goofy boosters. And here's our best friend. It printed for me this morning, so I'm so delighted with that. The next super deal is with the Dawn dish soap. We're going to grab 2 of these smaller guys. And again, guys, I apologize it's not tagged, but it just is what it is. And it's to buy 2, get back a $1 register reward. So 2 of them is $2.48, getting back that $1 register reward. It shakes it out to $1.48 for the 2. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn your register reward. Load up on this dish soap. It is so fantastic. And then here is the $1 register reward. It did in fact print for me. So here's a weird one, guys. Some people are saying that an extra $4 register reward is printing. I could not get it to work for the men's Dove today. But it's to buy 2 at 14, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. It's not a register reward, although other people are saying register rewards are printing, so I don't know what I'm missing here. But we're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 7 off of 2. The Dove men's, I believe, is the cheapest this week. So grabbing 2 of them, and I got the Clean Comfort. Maybe that was my problem. I grabbed the wrong one. 2 is 14 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 7, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. It shakes it out $3 for 2 or $1.50 per Dove men's. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not using a booster in concert with this deal. Okay, guys, so I did have a booster. I had a 7 back when you spend 25, but I have this one to show you guys. So sorry, it's a bit confusing. So I had this digital booster, and I also had a paper booster that printed for me last week, which was $10 when you spend 50. So you have to get a $50 basket for both of them to work. So that's precisely what I did. So I just got a hodgepodge of items, but I did get a little bit creative this time. And just to show you my $50 basket, 2 of the Toms of Maine that are kicking back $3 in Walgreens cash, 2 Dove men's, 2 Dawns, 2 of the Oral-B brushes, and then 5 of the $3.99 Hallmark cards, because we have very high value digitals that are attaching, and this is a $50 basket. Now, because I have so many digital coupons in play, if the cashier would scan one and then key in the other, especially for those cards, only certain digital coupons would come off. So you're going to have to ask the cashier super politely to scan every single barcode in your order. So all the digital coupons will come off. I used a couple register rewards, so that's why I had to do it that way. You have to ask them to scan every single barcode because that's to do with the line limit over at Walgreens. I know that's confusing, but I'll show you the receipt at the end. Give you a quick visual rundown. I got 5 of the $3.99 Mother's Day Hallmark cards, and you just have to look for them high and low. I know some stores you can't add them to a curbside pickup, but they're still in the store, so it's kind of bizarre. And then load this coupon, and I had 5 of them on my store card, which was really weird, but make it happen. You can load up your $50 basket with it, and just to show you some of them, here are some of them. So I had 5 altogether. That's why I grabbed 5 of them. I also grabbed 2 of the Dawn because it's producing that register reward, and who doesn't love these cute little ones? And then I also grabbed 2 of the $3 brushes, and I loaded this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And I also grabbed 2 Dove men, and I had the 7 off 2 digital also loaded for this deal. Now I also grabbed 2 of these Toms of Maine. We have the dollar digital, and then you get $3 in Walgreens cash for each. So it drops it down to 99 cents, a toothpaste that's almost $7. This is just a fabulous deal. Plus coupons.com has another dollar rebate for this guy. So super, super, super. And then I decided to use 2 of these $5 register rewards, and the 2 Dawns that didn't have any coupons, they attached to those items. And I'm going to show you the receipt in a quick second. Okay, so looking at this hodgepodge, 5 of the Hallmark Mother's Day for $19.95, 2 Dove's men's for $14, 2 Oral-B brushes for $6, 2 Toms of Maine for $9.98, and then 2 Dawns for $2.48 for a grand total of $52.41. At this point, I got the cashier to scan that paper booster, 10 back when you spend 50. I had my booster loaded, which is 7 back when you spend 25. I presented 2 manufacturer register rewards. The cashier scanned them, and then I had $26 in digitals on my store card. So after all of that, I paid $16.41 with my debit card plus the tax, and then I got back $27 in Walgreens cash. 6 for Toms of Maine and 17 for the boosters, and then another 4 for the Dove. And then I also got back $4 in register rewards. I'm going to show you those in a second. 3 for Crest, and then $1 for the Dawn, and then $1 back from coupons.com for that 1 Toms of Maine. It makes my order free plus a $5.59 moneymaker. And I'm not factoring into the math the 2 $5 register rewards if you tabulate the math. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're using 2 boosters with this basket. You guys, these two little cutie pies printed for me, so this is just a really good day. Like, everything's working out perfectly. I should go buy a lottery ticket. And then if you head over to the coupons.com app, there's a dollar rebate back for one of these Toms of Maine. As one of them I was using a digital, one of them I was not using a digital. I could apply for this, no problems, no issues. So that's an extra dollar back for me. And then just to show you the receipt, because I know this receipt is all over the place, the top two are my register rewards that I threw in. They're manufacturer register rewards, the top two. And then we have some digital coupons. And then look at all the card coupons that are coming off in that pretty little course line. And the key to this, again, is to ask the cashier very politely, can you scan every single item? Because if they're going to scan one Mother's Day card and then key in 4, only one digital coupon will come off. And that is called the line limit. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.